Cage flap and rope and racing Hidalgo looking for the leader, followed by Perfect Akka. And running into this Reclamador, moving up now to take fourth. Perfect move, running by the wheel Demolition Jack, then followed by Siklaga. Around the outside, Utero, then followed by entry number 1, Kapit Bahay, while Honestly is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel. Hidalgo being hounded by Perfect Akka. 6 lengths behind now Winter Demolition Jack, running by Reclamador, then followed by Perfect Move by another 4 lengths. Here comes Siklag, then followed by Utero, Honestly, while entry number 1, Kapit Bahay, now running in the tail of the field. Nearing the last 600, Hidalgo still in front by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Perfect Aki in second, 3 lengths back, Demolition Jack. Here comes the white horse, Reclamador, sneaking in and taking now the second spot. Towards the last 300, Hidalgo leading now by some 7 to 8 lengths over Reclamador. As she hits the final turn, it's still Hidalgo leading by some 6, followed by Reclamador. Here comes Utero. Nearing the finish line, it's Hidalgo winning this race about 5 lengths over close Reclamador, Utero, Demolition Jack, Siklag.